Hello and welcome back to my channel, which is all about style and confidence for the 50 plus woman. Today's video, I thought I would take you through what I've done in my wardrobe to prepare it for this extended time at home, which we're all having to adhere to at the moment. So I'm sure for a lot of you, the last thing that you want to think about is what you're going to wear on a daily basis. And perhaps you're thinking, well, it doesn't really matter if I'm stuck at home. And I have to admit that I do agree with that. You know, I'm not going to spend hours getting dressed up or doing my makeup. I've had quite a few days over the last week or so where I just haven't really put any makeup on at all because I know I'm not going to be seeing anyone. However, what I would say is that at the moment it is a stressful time. We are all feeling it, and I think that just feeling good in yourself is something that's quite important. So if you get up in the morning and you think, well, yeah, I want to make myself feel good, I will put some makeup on today, I won't slouch about the house, I'll kind of go about things as if they are normal. So I was thinking about this over the weekend and I thought, well, my wardrobe is kind of set up for my work from home, but also for going out as well. Now, all of those clothes which are perhaps more special pieces that I would wear for going out, I don't actually need at the moment. So what I decided to do was rearrange my wardrobe. So I've got things to hand that I'm going to be wearing all the time for the next 12 weeks or however long it's going to be. And the other thing that I decided to do was get out my spring summer clothes. Now I've kept the high summer clothes away for now, but I've got out a lot of the spring pieces because at the moment at home it's beautiful sunny day, the house is nice and warm. I don't really need to be wearing any of my thick jumpers anymore, so I've put those away. I'm kind of thinking that by the time we are able to go out freely again, I'm not going to be wearing jumpers. With a bit of luck, this is the start of spring and we're going to be able to see some better weather. So what I've done, as I said, is I've put away a lot of the heavier jumpers. I've kept a few of my jumpers in one of the drawers down here, but they're lighter weight things, so they're linen knits and much finer cashmere knits, so for the days where it's cooler. The other thing that I've done is I have kept out a couple of cardigans here which I can put over things. So this lovely bright limey green one, which makes me feel really cheerful. I've kept out a really nice sort of cosy black one, and I've also kept out an olive cashmere cardigan. So for the days when it's cooler, I might want to wear one of those. I think it's a really good idea to have layers in your wardrobe so that as it gets cooler in the evening, I'm putting one of my cardigans on. During the day when it's beautiful like this, I'm just wearing a short sleeve top. Now the other key item that I'm keeping in my wardrobe, which you will have no surprise about, is my Eileen Fisher leggings. Now I have several pairs of these. I've actually got a pair on today as well with this top. And these are just so easy to wear, they're so comfortable, they wash beautifully. I do dress them up when I want to go out, but for at home they are just absolutely perfect. They don't bag, they don't stretch, they look good, they feel good. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping all of these out and then I'm just sort of pulling out a nice bright top to go with them. Or as I have done today, I've got the black ones on and I've pulled out this red top. Now the other thing that I might do with those, so that I get some wear out of some of the dresses that I've got in my wardrobe that are a bit more casual, is I pulled out a couple of dresses and put them handy as tunics. So for example, I've got this navy blue one, it's just a button through one, it comes to about knee length and then I can put the leggings underneath those. And then I also have this red one which looks quite good with leggings as well. So the way that I've organised the wardrobe is right back here in the corner I've put all of my sort of smarter blouses. So things like this, which I do wear a lot when I'm going out, I don't really need it at the moment, so I'm keeping those over here. I have got a few lightweight jackets here, so if I do need to pop out to get some food, assuming we can get any, I've got a few of those there. And then I have also got some of my other sort of lighter weight cardigans in there, which I can wear around the house as well. And then moving over all my tops here, which again are sort of casual tops. And again, sort of keeping out ones that are nice and bright and cheerful. And just sort of nice, easy layering t-shirts as well. And then moving on to this area, which is the trousers. I've already mentioned the leggings. I have also got some slightly warmer trousers like this pair, which are kind of a jersey, but I think they're made from Tencel, which is wood pulp. It's like viscose, so those are really cozy and cuddly. So if we do have a cooler day, I can very easily pull out those, put a nice t-shirt with them, and then perhaps I would put that green cardigan over them as well. And then other trousers that I've included in here, things like this that were actually from my sort of spring summer wardrobe last year, but they're really nice and easy to wear around the house just with a t-shirt or top. I've got some lighter weight linen ones as well. If the weather stays nice, if it does improve, they're nice and easily to hand as well. And again, things like this pair of printed trousers, which I had from last summer. So all of those are very easy to hand. I've packed away most of my scarves because I'm not going to be needing them for the next few weeks. I've just literally kept out the sort of lighter weight silk scarves because I'm not going to be wearing them around the house. If I do need to go out, I might put one on, but I'm not going to need them. So I've tried to keep everything as clear as possible for the things that I'm going to be wearing all of the time. The other thing that's quite useful to have to hand is a poncho. This one I've had for a couple of years now, but again, if it gets a little bit chilly, just throwing something like that over the top of what you're wearing is really handy. So that's just a little quick tour around my wardrobe and what I've done to get it ready for staying at home. I'm going to slot in after this a whole load of pictures of casual outfits, outfits that I've created just to give you some ideas of things that you can wear during this time. I know that the outfit ideas are always really popular when I send out my newsletter on a Friday, and if you want to sign up for the newsletter, I will leave a link below for that. It goes out every Friday, and I will be adding lots of stay-at-home outfit ideas to that every week as well. Other than that, if you have any questions, again, please do leave them in the comments. Please also let me know how you're coping with this, what you're wearing, what your most useful things are in your wardrobe at the moment. And if you have any questions, I will get back to you. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, then I would love it if you did. And if you just click on the little bell, it will notify you next time I create a video. So thanks very much for watching. If you have any suggestions and things you would like me to create videos for, again, leave them in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.